Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upgrade the RAM for a Mac Mini 2012 and also how to close the back lid. Okay, let's get started. So put your finger in between that little circle here and move it, and then the lid will come out. As you can see, this is the RAM here. It takes 2 times DDR3 RAM. So I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM, how to place it. So this side, that bit there, as you can see, align it together, then put it in, and then push it down. It will click into place. That's it. It's very simple, guys. So that's it. And now I know people have difficulties putting the back lid together, so just remember, guys, this bit here has to go in there, and then this bit here has to go this side. So just align it together parallel, and then just twist it clockwise.